Children, it is a activity page 12 for day 10. It is about the LCM, lowest common multiple. What is lowest common multiple? It is the product of the highest power of the common factors and the other factors. Among the multiples, the lowest is the lowest common multiple. While finding the lowest common multiple, we have to find the common factor. If there are common factor, we have to consider the highest power of that common factors. And also we have to consider the remaining factors. Product of all this becomes the LCM. So let us discuss about the first method. Method 1, finding the LCM by prime factorization method. You know the method of finding the HCF by prime factorization method, and this is the method of finding the LCM by the same method. But here we have to take the highest power of the common factor, and also we have to take the remaining factors. But for the HCF, we are considering only the common factor and their lowest power. But for the LCM, we have to consider both common factors and non-common factors, other factors also. So if there are common factors, we have to take the highest power of that common factors. Together with that, we have to take the factors which are not common. Remaining factors also to be considered, to be taken for the LCM. So you take one example. Find the LCM of 9 and 12 by prime factorization method. Here, as usual method, find the factors of 9 and 12. You take 9. Know that 9 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again, you take 3 1s are 3. So the product of this 3 and 3. Here, what are the factors of 9? 3 into 3. So you can express that in terms of exponent 3 power 2. 3 power 2. Then you take the next number 12. Find the prime factors of 12. Take that 12, and you know that this 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again this 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Again you take 3. 3 1s are 3. Then you can write 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 into 2 into 3. And 2 is 2 times. So you write 2 power 2, and 3 is 1 time, 3 power 1. You got the prime factors of 9. 3 into 3, that is 3 power 2. 3 is 2 time. And the prime factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 times 2 and 1 time 3. So you got 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. Then highest power of the common factor. Here which is the common factor? 3 power 2. 3 power 1 is there. 3 is the common factor. And for LCM, we have to consider the highest power 2. So 3 power 2 you write here. 3 power 2. And which are the remaining factors here? Here 2 power 2 is the remaining factor. 2 power 2. It is not common. Only it is in the factors of 12. 2 power 2 is there. That is the uncommon factor. So you take that 2 power 2 also. Therefore, what is the LCM of 6 and 12? Take the highest power of the common factor and the factors which are not common, other factors. So it becomes 3 power 2 into 3 power 2 power 2. So 3 power 2 is 9 and 2 power 2 is 4. Then what is the product of these two? The product of these two is 36. Therefore, LCM is 36. What is the LCM? LCM of 6 and 12. LCM of 6 and 12 is 36. By using the same method, find the LCM of 15 and 21 by prime factorization method. Here what you have to do? First you take 15, find the prime factors of 15. You know that 3 into 5. And take the prime factors of 21. You know that 3 into 7. And which is a common factor? Common factor is 3. So highest power is 1. So you take 3. And remaining factors here 5, here 7. So if you take the factors 3 into 5, the factors of this 21 are 3 into 7. Common factor 3, highest power 2. Remaining factor 5 into 7. So LCM becomes 3 into 5 into 7. You must find the product. This way you do the LCM of, get the LCM of 15 and 21 by the method of prime factorization, and write this step neatly and get the LCM of 15 and 21. The next one is find the LCM of 16 and 24 by prime factorization. Here also get the factor of 16 and factor of 24. Factor of 24. After getting the factors, note down the common factor and the highest power of the common factor. After that, remaining factors you take and find the product. The next one, third one, find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 by prime factorization. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 by prime factorization. Here again you find the prime factors of 12. You know that it becomes 2 into 2 into 3. This is 3 into 3. This is 3 into 7. And out of that get the common factor and the highest power, and also together with that take the factors which are not common. Here you have taken the common factor 3 power 2, and the remaining factors are only here, that is in the 12. So you have to take that. Sometimes both the numbers are having the factors which are not common. We have to take all. That is the method. If you take 12, the factors are 2 into 2 into 3. If you take the 15, the factors are 3 into 5. If you take 21, the factors are 3 into 7. Here, which is the common factor? 3, 3, 3. So the power is same. So you take 3. Next here, the remainings are 2 into 2. Here the remaining is 5. Here the remaining is 7. The product of all this becomes the LCM. Children, here discuss it roughly and do the steps correctly and find the LCM of the numbers 12, 15 and 21. So hint is given. With the help of that hint, find the LCM of all these